बार बार आप लोगों को धन्यवाद कहूँगा। जो भी प्रोग्राम आ रहा है उसमें से एक चीज़ मुझे कॉमन सी लग रही है जब मैं बैठ कर देखता हूँ कि मुझे दुख नहीं हो रहा है वो प्रोग्राम देखते हुए, मुझे किसी भी किस्म का गम नहीं हो रहा है कि यश जी हमारे बीच नहीं रहे हैं। And I've been trying to figure out why this is so. When Yash ji, who's been such an important part of, especially my life, of all the actors, Katrina and Anushka, who worked with him for the first time and they're blessed, and the whole Yash Raj family and all of us, the whole film industry, as a matter of fact, the whole country. I think he's been such an important part of our lives. We don't even realize the importance sometimes till people go away. But I didn't feel sad. I felt a strange sense of, one, that he hasn't gone, he still loves us. And somewhere in the air, somewhere surrounding us, like oxygen and beauty, he still is there. And the second part is I feel happy actually whenever I'm seeing even the programs which are honoring his legacy or talking about his work or his passing away. And I think the reason for that is that Yash ji himself wanted through his films only one thing, to be able to spread happiness. And he never wanted it to be any other way. So we come here, post his leaving us, and what we want to tell you today is that the whole family, Palanti, Adi, Uday, and everybody else, all of us who have been in this film, all the other technicians who are not here tonight, this evening, everyone, all of us have decided and felt that what Yash ji would have wanted us to do is celebrate his cinema, his work, his life, and the happiness that he's always spread through his work. And that's what we're going to do. We are going to believe that all the 50 years of work that he put into the film industry in his film, fortunately for me, I worked with him for 20 years. The one thing that was always common was that he wanted when his films came out, जब भी मैंने उनसे बात की वो यही कहते थे कि आप बड़ी खुशी हुई कि लोगों को खुशी हुई फिल्म देख के. They were different subjects, they were thrillers, they were romantic films, they were love stories, they were action films, they were social dramas. But every time, the one thing common that he wanted was that we should be happy. And that's why I think he always chose, or maybe Diwali chose him as the day when all his films came. Somehow he has got related to the day of Diwali when his films came out, the festival of lights and happiness, new beginnings. And I think that's how we see it. All of us, I speak on behalf of Katrina, on behalf of Anushka, that what we are going to do now is we are going to celebrate the release, the experience, hopefully, that everyone is going to have after watching Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So on that note is what we want the press conference to be. We don't want you, of course, whatever questions you have pertaining to how it felt for all of us to be in touch with his life, his work, you're most welcome to ask and ask anything that you want. But what we want is the cinema of Mr. Yash Chopra, when it comes out again on 13th of November this year, it should be as he would have wanted it to be. Extremely happy. The experience should be of one that all of us like when we go to see a big eventful film, and inshallah all of us will experience that. We are fortunate to have breathed and lived in his times, and that legacy of happiness is what I think Yash ji has left behind. So thank you for being here. Thank you for handling this so well, and I'll open the press conference to the young girls who you can ask anything. You can ask me also, but they have told me that I have to speak the least, so I have done the opening speech. They will try to. Oh yeah, and also this is the first time actually, and all three of us have come on stage to talk about Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So it's a very, very big event. As a matter of fact, the reason for that is simple. Jab tak Yash ji थे मेरी बहुत चलती थी, तो मैंने इनको छुपा के रखा था कि इस पिक्चर में सारी की सारी जो लाइमलाइट है मैं लेना चाहता हूँ. लेकिन अब वो नहीं रहे, तो अभी लड़कियों की चलने लगी है यहाँ पर. So they're here. I want you to welcome them first time on Jab Tak Hai Jaan. I want to tell you that it's been the most pleasurable, most wonderful, most beautiful experience working with Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma. Thank you. And you can ask them things. They don't want to ask you anything. Do you want to say hello to everyone because they're not asking? You want to say hello to everyone?
Hi, everybody.
Okay. किसी को कुछ नहीं पूछना फिल्म के बारे में?
शाहरुख, मेरा सवाल ये है आपसे कि
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलेंगे प्लीज.
शाहरुख, मेरा ये सवाल है कि एक चीज जानना चाहेंगे, हाउ यू डिस्क्राइब योर लाइफ विदाउट यश जी, बिकॉज आप काफी क्लोज रहे हैं उनके साथ.
मुझे कोर्स बहुत दुख है, बहुत गम है, goes without saying, लेकिन मुझे उनकी क्षति महसूस नहीं हो रही है, कमी महसूस नहीं हो रही। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि 20 साल मैंने उनके साथ काम किया और उससे ज़्यादा सालों से मैं उनकी फिल्में देख रहा हूँ। इंशाल्लाह अगले आने वाले 500 साल हम उन्हीं की फिल्में देखेंगे जो छोड़ देते हैं पीछे, इंक्लूडिंग द वन दैट वी रिलीजिंग दिस नेक्स्ट मंथ। तो कहीं ना कहीं पर मुझे एज आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग, बट कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है there was this desire he always had कि he should leave this world with his shoes on, with his boots on. And I think it's in a strange sense a desire, a prayer fulfilled of his कि मैं 50 सालों से वो काम कर रहे हैं और जब भी वो फिल्म बनाते थे बहुत खुशी और प्यार से बनाते थे और अब वो हमारे बीच नहीं रहे हैं। लेकिन I only feel the happiness that fortunate that I worked with him for so many years. Fortunate, I think, for having worked in the film which he decided to be his last one. Fortunate and happy that if there is any goodness or a good way to leave this world, I think this would be so. So I have his memories. I listen on days when I see him on television. Sometimes when I see my telephone and see his name there, I listen. But I think the overwhelming feeling जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे एहसास है वो इस बात का है कि हम किसी की एक ज़िंदगी के साथ छुए जिसने हमें बहुत खुश किया, जिसने हमें बहुत कंप्लीट किया, जिसने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें या मोमेंट्स दिए to remember him by.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.